The most important part of beauty comes from within, the inner beauty, being interested in life, caring for others, and being involved in the issues of your community. The more you're interested in the world around you, the more interesting you become. A healthy mind needs a healthy body, and a healthy body needs a good diet and cleanliness. The type and amount of food you eat usually controls your figure. Also, it affects your skin. Arm yourself with a calorie counter, and you may find some surprises. But there's one trick. The models use it. How to lose 5 pounds in 5 seconds. Be patient. We'll show you later. Overloading your body with skin poisons can make you break out on your face. You don't have to cut out these things, but cut down. Instead, eat plenty of lean meat, fruit and vegetables, and drink lots of liquids. What you eat affects also your teeth, and good teeth are essential for one of the most effective beauty aids, your smile. Take care of your teeth while you're young. Shopping for your wardrobe is lots of fun, but keep in mind some basic rules. Use colors that go well with your skin and hair, and dress for the occasion. Dress for your figure. But there are still many do's and don'ts on the way to become a complete, attractive person. Cultivate a relaxed, pleasant voice. Speak correct English. Don't talk too much or too loud. Sometimes it doesn't go over too well, and for good reasons. And keep in mind, listening is often more appreciated than talking. Don't talk with your hands. You look much better this way. And all the makeup in the world couldn't make up for this sort of thing. Oh yes, you still want to know how to lose 5 pounds in 5 seconds? By simply standing correctly, this girl has lost 5 pounds almost instantly. Don't walk sloppily. The way you walk is a cue to your personality. Walk smartly. If you need glasses, let them help you. The right frames can be very pleasing. Improve your looks as much as you can. This is not conceit, but good common sense. It will help you in your social life and later in getting a job by giving you more self-confidence. Above all, remember, the beauty that shines through you from within, your inner beauty, is your most beautiful, most precious possession.
That's all.